Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I know a lot of you have already heard about the ChatGPT 4.0. This is the one here. You can see it here. Okay, it's a new ChatGPT that can create any kind of picture you want. So there's a lot of feature on this new GPT 4.0. So we are going to start. You can do a lot of things on this. If you come to Sora here, as you can see it here, if you cannot find Sora, you come to Explore GPT, you find by ChatGPT, and then you look for Sora. So as you can see, I got it already here. If I click Sora, I'm gonna go explore the images. So when you are in Sora, as you can see the URL here, all those images, if you click image, there's image, videos. So all those images are generated by GPT 4.0. Let's open this one. So this one is used via remix. Okay, someone did a remix. So they got what they call edit, remix, remix. So when someone create a video or an image, you can remix that image. Let's try the remix. Let's edit remix. This was the original image here. Okay, and someone did add this. He says, so did he traversing the trench, escaping baby oil, chasing him. So it should be baby oil like this. Okay. So if we click remix, let's see what we will get here. I'm just using someone image. Just, I think this is the name of the person here. Okay. I'm going to do a remix. It's going to take time. We're going to wait. As you can see here, they say activity, and this image got 561 likes. Remember, any image you generate on ChatGPT is going to be public. Everyone got access to it. It's done. I'm gonna click here. As you can see, mine is different from the other one. Okay, so this is mine. Okay, so now I'm going to create my own image by by adding my own prompt. Okay, I'm gonna click on this logo here. Okay, they say here, describe your image. Okay, so from here, you can either choose video or image. In my case, I'm gonna say image. Aspect ratio, you can choose anyone you want here. Anyone you want. I'm gonna choose this one. I got a prompt already here. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, I say a Moroccan dude with a cape on his head. Anyway, there's some grammatical problem here, but it's fine. As a AI, they will understand what I need here. Okay, so here you got variation. From variation, you can generate one image or two images. You can even create four, but this one you need the pro version, okay, which is 200 US per month. So I'm gonna just say one, and I'm gonna press create an image. As you can see here, added to queue. I'm gonna wait. As you can see here, is the other image. I did the remix. If I go to my medias, yeah, you see here, This is the one I made. So all those the stuff I generate, as you can see here. Okay. As you can see right now, it's busy generating my last image I asked it for. ChatGPT videos are not always accurate. It's having really difficulty to create a nice videos. I hope in the future there will be some changes. So when you ask ChatGPT to create a video, it must create exactly the video you ask for. As you can see, it's done. You can click here to view it or just open it. As you can see, it's create exactly this as I ask in French. Okay. If I want to edit, I can just say remix here or edit prompt. If I click remix, I'm gonna say in English. I want this in English, not in French. I'm gonna click remix. Let's see what we will get. This is so nice. It's so accurate. You can see it. As you can see it's done. Let's click and see. As you can see now, it did change it from French, English. Okay. And when you're done, if you want, you can delete. You can delete it. You just press here, and it's gonna delete it. Okay. If you want to delete, you can delete it. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.